Now, see this question. If cos inverse x is greater than sin inverse x, then which of the following is correct? Now, I will explain the graphical method of solving this question. If you know the graph of the function, you can analyze and interpret the answer very easily. And first, let us draw the graph of the function cos inverse of x. Graph of cos inverse x is like this. Cos inverse of 0 is equal to pi by 2. Cos inverse of 1 is 0. Cos inverse of minus 1 is pi. And if you plot all the points, and the graph will be like this. Similarly, you can take the graph of sin inverse x. The graph of sin inverse x is like this. Sin inverse of 0 is 0. Sin inverse of 1 is pi by 2. Sin inverse of minus 1 is minus pi by 2. In between, there are many points. You can plot the points, and the graph of sin inverse x is like this. And if you plot the graph of both the function in a single graph, and it will be like this. This is graph of sin inverse x, and this is graph of cos inverse of x. Now you can observe sin inverse x and cos inverse x are equal when x is equal to 1 by root 2. Sin inverse 1 by root 2 is pi by 4, and cos inverse 1 by root 2 is also pi by 4. This is the point of intersection of these two curves, where sin inverse x and cos inverse x are equal. And you can observe cos inverse x will be more when x is less than 1 by root 2. That means in between minus 1 to 1 by root 2, cos inverse x will be more than sin inverse x. From 1 by root 2 to 1, sin inverse x will be more than cos inverse x. The question asked here is, if cos inverse x is greater than sin inverse x. From the figure, we can observe cos inverse x is greater than sin inverse x when x is in the interval minus 1 to 1 by root 2. Here 1 by root 2 is not included because it is asked cos inverse x is strictly greater than sin inverse x. Therefore, the right answer is option C, that is minus 1 less than or equal to x less than 1 by root 2.